you're a programmer or thinking about becoming one, having the right software tools can make your job a whole lot easier. These tools help you write tests and manage your code efficiently. In this video, we'll break down the essential software and tools every programmer should have. Number 1, code editor. A code editor is like a digital notepad where you write your code. Two popular options are Visual Studio Code and Sublime Text. They make writing code easier with features like auto-completion and error highlighting. Number 2, integrated development environment or IDE. IDE is a fancy code editor with extra tools if you're into web development. Consider using Visual Studio for web development. For Python, PyCharm is an excellent choice. IDE help you manage your code, projects, debug issues, and test your programs more efficiently. Number 3, version control system. Git is the go-to tool for keeping track of changes in your code. It helps you collaborate with others, roll back to previous versions if something goes wrong, and manage your code history. GitHub is a popular platform to host your Git repositories. Number 4, terminal or the command line interface. If you're working on a Windows, Mac, or Linux, you'll need to use the terminal. It's a text-based interface for running commands and managing your computer. Learning some basic terminal commands is essential for a program. Number 5, database management tool. Do you work with databases? You'll need a tool like MySQL Workbench, SQL Server Management Studio, or DBeaver. These tools help you create, modify, and query databases. Number 6, text editor. Sometimes you need to work with text files that aren't code. Notepad for Windows, TextEdit for Mac, or Notepad++ for Windows can be handy for editing configuration files and taking notes. Number 7, virtualization software. Software like VirtualBox or VMware allows you to create virtual machines. This is useful for testing software on different operating systems without needing multiple physical computers. Number 8, package manager. Depending on your programming language, you might need a package manager like NPM for Node.js, pip for Python, or GAM for Ruby. These tools help you install and manage libraries and frameworks for your projects. Number 9, communication tools. You likely need to communicate with your team or clients. Tools like Slack, Microsoft Teams, or even simple email can be essential for sharing progress, discussing ideas, and getting feedback. Number 10, code hosting and collaboration. Platforms like GitLab, Bitbucket, and GitHub are great for hosting your code online and collaborating with others. They also offer features for issue tracking and project management. Overall, the best software for you might depend on the type of programming you do. But having these tools in your arsenal will set you up for success and make your programming journey smoother. If you like this video, make sure to give it the thumbs up and let me know in the comment section what other important tools or software we might consider. Thank you for your time and happy coding.